Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by wiring and validating devices. Plug the console into the capture card and route the card to your TV so you still see gameplay. Once connected, install OBS and any capture drivers, then grant audio and video permissions. This ensures OBS can access the card. Next, set the capture source resolution and frame rate to match the console output. For example, 1080p at 60 FPS. This prevents scaling artifacts and dropped frames, so your recording looks and feels like the original gameplay. You now create a new scene in OBS and add a video capture device. Choose the capture card and disable buffering if the card recommends it, because buffering adds latency. Then add your microphone as a separate audio input capture and set the capture card as an audio output capture so game sound records separately. This makes post-production and live stream balancing easier. Once done, adjust the canvas and output resolution to match the capture, position sources, and lock them to prevent accidental changes during recording or streaming. You're ready to record or stream. Pick a hardware encoder like NVENC if available to lower CPU load, and set an appropriate bitrate, about 6000 kbps for 1080p 60 streaming. Run a short test recording to verify audio-video sync and watch for dropped frames. If audio is out of sync, adjust the mic or game audio offset in milliseconds. Finally, if you see a black screen, recheck HDMI pass-through order. Reinstall or update capture drivers, and ensure the console's HDCP or exclusive mode isn't blocking the signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.